Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.4, and before starting exercise I am going to discuss some result with you. You can see here now the first topic and the definition here. A triangle in which all the three sides are equal, are equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. You can see here this all three sides will be equal, and this angle and angle A, angle B, angle C will be 60 degree. All three angles will be 60 degree. You can see I wrote here AB equal to BC equal to CA. So this type of angle is called, triangle is called equilateral triangle. Now, second, a triangle in which two sides are equal, of equal length. These two sides are equal, are called isosceles triangle. And you can see I drawn the triangle here. These two sides are equal, and opposite angle also will be equal. So angle Q will be equal to angle R. You can see side which is equal angle side PQ equal to PR. Let me repeat once again. Here three sides are equal, so three angles will be equal, and three angles are equal, so it is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And here two sides are equal, so two angles will be equal. It is called isosceles triangle. Now, this is a very important result for higher class. See the result. In any triangle, the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. I repeat my words again. In any triangle, the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. It is also called as triangular inequality. It is very much important for higher class. So you can see here in this triangle ABC, what does this result says? So I have taken triangle ABC, and this result says sum of any two sides. So AB plus BC, I have taken these two sides. AB plus BC will be greater than AC. Take next to BC plus AC is greater than AB. AC plus AB is greater than BC. How I have taken, I am explaining once again to you. First, this is first side, second side, this is third side. This is counted to be third side. Now AB plus BC is greater than AC I have taken. Now I will shift this on the other side, and this I have taken here. You can see here. Now BC plus AC is greater than AB. Now I will shift this on the other side. So AC plus AB is greater than BC. So all sides becomes one and third side. We have to check this condition in all the triangle. If this is yes, then only triangle is possible to be drawn. Either it is not possible. Right here, let me repeat once again. This is called triangular inequality. In any triangle, sum of two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side. It is true, then only triangle is possible to be drawn. Means it is always true in any triangle. If it is not true, then triangle cannot be drawn. So you can see this condition to be checked. Right here. Now, in this exercise 6.4, I am going to solve question number 1. Question number 1, part 1 and 2, question number 2, question number 4, and question number 5. Right here. Now, question number 1. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Which sides are given here? 2, 3, 5. So I am going to check this condition in this. Right here. So you can see in a triangle, sum of length of two sides should be greater than third side. That is triangular inequality. You can try it in short also. So I am checking now. You can see 2 plus 3 is greater than 5. No. You can see the value is coming how much here? It is coming 5. And 5 is not greater than 5. So it is no. 3 plus 5 is how much here? 8. 8 is greater than 2? Yes. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is greater than 3? Yes. But in one condition, it is not satisfying. So it means triangle is not possible. It is not possible. So I will write here, it is not possible. So, not possible. Right here, it is a solution. Right here, so not possible. To come here, so not possible. Now, next here, 3, 6 and 7. you can see I have taken the cases 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6, what is the answer? 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is greater than 7? Yes. Now here 6 plus 7, 13. 13 is greater than 3? Yes. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is greater than 6? Yes. So triangle is possible. You can see on all the conditions it is coming yes. So triangle is possible. I think it is clear to you now how it is done. Let me explain once again. Here the sides are given 2, 3, 5. Now you have to check in all the cases. So I have taken 2 plus 3 is greater than 5. No, you can see that because 2 plus 3 is 5 is equal to 5. It is actually equal to, but I want greater than. Then 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is greater than 2? Yes. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is greater than 3? Yes. But it is not satisfying one case. That is the reason. So triangle is, so we will write here, triangle is not possible. Actual word will come, so triangle is not possible. Right here, and therefore triangle is, here you can see same way I checked here, 9 is greater than 7, yes. 13 is greater than 3, yes. And here 10 is greater than 6, yes. So triangle is possible. Okay here. Now question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus BA is greater than AC plus BD? They have asked here. Is means is a question. Right here. So we have to give the answer. I am giving the answer yes. If it is yes, then I have to prove. If it is no, then I have to give some example why it is no. So I am saying yes and I am giving the solution. See here, this is the quadrilateral given to you. Now in this, I am dividing this quadrilateral now like this here. So I have drawn here now AB plus BC like this in two parts. Now by triangular inequality, what you can write in this triangle? You can see here ACD, AD plus DC is greater than AC. Now the question arises here, why I am writing AC here? See what I have to prove. AC on this side and it should be on the side where less than. So I will write this only, this way. Right here, be careful. So I have to write like this. AC should be on this side, lesser than side. Right? So AB plus BC by triangular inequality same way. AB plus BC is greater than AC because I want AC on this side. Right here. I think it is clear to you now. Now this equation number 1 and 2. Now again by triangular inequality, you can see here in triangle ABD. Now AB plus BD is greater than BD. AB plus, it comes here AB plus BD. AB plus, it comes here AB plus AD. AB plus AD is greater than BD, and here comes BC plus CD is greater than BD. You can see here now equation 1 and now equation 1 and 2 and here equation 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going to add equation 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right here you can see it is AB plus AD is now you can see I am adding this. So now just see here AB is coming how many times? Just see now in this. Let us count first AB. AB is here, 1 AB and 1 AB is here also. Right? Now you can see now BC. BC is here, I am circling here BC. Here also BC is here. Now AD I am making star sign. So AD is also here star. Now remaining is CD and DC is same. It means all are coming 2 times. And already ACAC 2 times is there and BD 2 times. So I am writing directly here. Adding means comes here. So I am writing here 2 times. I am going to write AB plus what is the next one? It is BC plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 times AC plus BD. Now here I am cancelling 2 because on the both sides is 2 there. Therefore we get the required result that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. You can see now, I have proved just now and it is true. Let me explain once again to you. It is yes, and by a triangular inequality, it comes like this: AD plus DC plus is greater than AC, and AB plus BC is greater than AC. Here, by triangular inequality, in triangle ABD, AB plus AD is greater than BD, and here BC plus CD is greater than BD. By adding equation 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and you can see it comes 2 times and 2 is coming on the both sides, I cancel, and therefore I get the result AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, and it proves the result over here. Now the next one, you can see now it is the same type of triangle quadrilateral, but here the result is different. Right here the result is different now. So I am going to prove this now in triangle AOB. Now I am going to take triangle AOB small, this triangle AOB. Now how to remember where to take the 4 parts and where to take 2 parts, because you will get confused here. Here I have taken 2 parts, here I have taken 4 parts. Right here I am going to proceed here only with these triangles. Like this I am going to move 4 triangles, small triangles. Here I am going to divide it in 2 parts. Very simple. Whichever number is here, double of that. If it is here 2, you have to divide this given figure in 4 parts. And here this no number means 1. 1 double is 2. So you have to divide this in 2 parts. Understood here? It will be easy for you to solve the problem. Now, by triangular inequality, got the result. Now, by adding this equation 1, I am going to add this equation. You can see now, so it comes here AO plus OB. AO plus OB. AO plus OB. Now you can see AO plus OC is how much? It is AC. So let us count all the how many AO and AC is AO is here. 1 AO. Here also AO. Where is OC? OC is here, and you can see OC is here also. Now you can see it is coming AO plus OC AC. CO plus OA again AC. So 2A is coming 2 times. So 2 times AC. Right here 2 times AC. Similar like this you can see here. OB is also 2 times. OD, so it comes BD. BD is greater than. Now you can see it is coming all AB plus BC. So I am writing here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now you can see, but you write here adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see I got the result, and this is the only same result, but here the sides are different side. So I am, therefore we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and this I am going to write here. So it comes less than. You can see it is coming on the less than. It is coming on the which side? You can see it is coming on the less than side. DA, it is coming 2 times AC plus BD. You can see again I have taken a 4 triangle. Here triangle is taken like this here, and I wrote the by triangular inequality this 4 result, and I have just rearranged the terms, and then I got the result here. You can see, but it was coming on the greater than side. I just proceed on the less than side, and I got the what is the required result. And this completes here. I complete my discussion about this topic. Thank you everyone.